Hello everybody, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make the dots pattern on the mirror cube. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to face it like this. So the thinnest layer is on top and the second thinnest layer is on the left. So this piece should be right there. Okay, and now what you're going to do is you're going to turn this middle column up like that. And it's only 4 moves, so very short. So this middle column up, and then this horizontal column to the left, and then this middle column down, and then this horizontal column to the right. And there you go, you have the dots pattern. So it has like the center is like all that like in and out. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you liked it, please make sure to hit the like button right down there, as well as the subscribe button right next to it. And goodbye, see you in my next video.